Hello friends, today I would like to explain how to build a dynamic HTML website. For this one, first we are going to search google.com. In that one, download free HTML5 templates. Search one, select anything one, and then look what template you would like, and then select that one and download it. Like that, for demo purpose, I like one template for that one, that is CSS7. First extract it here. After that one, open it. Then index.html. This is the main HTML file. Open it. Check. This is the HTML template I downloaded in internet. I would like to modify this HTML template into this template into a blogging website for putting my YouTube videos on it one and publicity it. So I would like first minimize this one and open this HTML file with edit notepad++. It will take a few times and then it will open. Check it guys. This is the code for generating of HTML file. First I would like to check entire files first, as all these div tags, and then class files, and then hyperlink files. Okay, then we would like to start. First we would like to edit this template to our HTML web page. For this one, starting first we would like to edit title of the page. Put it tech help. After editing of title of the web page, and then edit here name of the website, that is techhelp.com. I would like to display tech help is our website name, and then save it and then check it once. That means refresh the HTML page. Simply press F5. Here it is. Check our website name is modified to tech help. After editing our website name, you would like to edit the menus names, that is welcome, style, article, notes, along text. I would like to change these 5 menu items into home, ASP.NET, WCF, MVC, and then C#.NET. For this one, open index.html in notepad++ and then edit these links. See this, welcome, style, article, notes, a long link text. First we edit this welcome, style, article, notes, a long text as usual into our home, WCF, MVC, C#, like that buttons. So modify that one. Click it in. See, I changed the names and reference links of that web pages, that is home, language, C#, ASP.NET, MVC, WCF. Corresponding reference files, long.c.html for language C#, ASP.html for ASP.NET, MVC.html for MVC, WCF.html for. Then save it and press F5 at your web browser. See, check it. The menu names has been changed: language C, A#, ASP.NET, MVC, WCF. After this one, moving forward, we would like to change post title. I would like to change these images and the text corresponding to this. I would like to change this entire thing. Open index.html and check the corresponding code of that terms. That is, this is the corresponding code regarding that boxes and images. After changing menu names, I would like to change this postal title and the image and the text appearing here. For this one, open index.html. Previously I changed the at the title C#old and the reference of C#old is long.c.html, and I will place a C# image for this one and the width height of images, and then I will place some text regarding C# language. Check it, save this one, and then press F5 for refreshing web browser. Check it, it will change automatically. Click on the C# board, it will navigate to language C. Presently I would not develop that language C. Further I developed that one. It is clearly we are see that image will be displayed and the text of that one has been differently modified. Like before C# board, I would change the remaining boxes, that is ASP box and WCF, and corresponding images and the links. Save it and refresh the web browser. Oh, it seems look like error. For this one, we would like to modify the CSS file. See this, I modified the code of index file. First I would like to place in column 1, first window is C#, and then in column 2 second window is ASP.NET, and then in column 3 third window is MVC. I save it and refresh web browser. Check it, everything will be modified. C# all MVC and then ASP.NET. And then I would like to change about your columns, and then I completely removed all this, and I would like to change the company, your site name and the company name. For this one, open index.html file and check, here it is, about you. I would like to replace this one and then put the administrator image here and something about administrator, and then remove all these div tags like this. Yes, now I placed a image. Here I place a logo of Tech Help, and then about our Tech Help, and I wrote a few comments on about Tech Help website. And also here I can modify this as www.techhelp.com, all rights reserved, and then I would like to Wi-Fi, and then this is the template provider website. I would like to remove this information from here, and also I would like to remove information of this end page. Save it and then refresh a browser. Here it is, it will be changed. Help.com, all rights reserved. About Tech Help. Tech Help is a website that provides all the information about technical language and how to use software, and all other software related video and article demos will be provided. Here is the logo of the Tech Help, and then I would like to develop these remaining 4 pages. Language C#, ASP.NET, MVC, WCF. For this one, first I would like to build a language C web page, and then a copy of this language C will be copied and then modified data in ASP and MVC, WCF as our requirement. After that one, I open a file long.c.html with notepad. here it is, long.c.html. In this one all is same, and the information is content prep. I placed a video iframe code of a video of YouTube video of this one, that is object type shop style width and height of the displaying video YouTube video. And then after that one I placed a small text about C language, and I changed it and save it, and then open browser, go to the long C, check it. A video regarding our code has been displayed here, and it will be played also. And then like this we can modify our requirements like ASP.NET menu item, and then MVC, and then WCF. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.